cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are reviewing Gummy Kisses. Gummy Kisses is an American indie brand based in Los Angeles, and actually it's owned by a girl. Her name is Lydia and she's running her business by herself, if I understood correctly from Instagram. Her ideals is to create like cute lip glosses, cute packaging, and let me tell you, she's doing quite well. Let me show you. So she has products like this palette right here, and tell me how cute is this, and this lip gloss right here, or this one with the tiny frog, and this keychain, you know, like it's amazingly cute. So today I'm gonna review this brand and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. I'm gonna create an eye look and then I will try their lip glosses. To be honest, the lip glosses are not that different from each other, but basically the concept here is the cute packaging. So although that you see no big difference in colors, like the packaging to me is everything. Here we have a cute little pig, while here we have a gummy bear in black, and then we have this keychain as well. So of course I'm dying to try as much of her products as possible. Today I'm gonna start my makeup differently, so I bleached my eyebrows in order to be able to give them crazy colors, and that's what I'm doing today. So I'm gonna use the palette right here, and from the palette I'm gonna use specifically this shade Joy in order to give myself some very nice purple eyebrows. Next step to finish with my eyebrows is to take an old friend of mine, Kat Von D and Saint and Sinner palette. I'm gonna take this purple right here, which is called Exorcism. Don't complain people, I'm gonna only use it for my eyebrows, not on my eyes, so we're completely safe here. Tell me what you think about the eyebrows. Like, I'm so excited. I think that the idea of bleaching them was one of the best decisions that I have taken in my life. Look how nice ombre they have become. Like, wow, I'm very happy. Now let's go to the actual eye look. I'm gonna prime my eyes with Primer Potion from Urban Decay. Now that I have prepared my base, I'm gonna go to this palette and I will start by using the shade Kisses here at the inner corner, and then I will continue with Joy and Obsessed. Let's see it. Yes, as you can see, the purple is not very pigmented. I mean, look at the difference between the pan and my eye, and I have applied a lot of times in order to create this result. I'm not very happy with the purple specifically. The pink Kisses was okay, but Joy, why Joy? You could have been better, you know. Anyway, now I'm gonna go with Obsessed and I will try to save the whole situation. As you can see, I have finished with the other eye as well, and let me tell you some thoughts about the palette. So although that the color scheme is very interesting and I love, you know, the pinks and the purples, and of course the glitter are talking to me so much, as you can clearly tell here. About the quality, I'm not very happy, to be honest. Like, whenever you try to blend the colors, they just keep disappearing. So I have to reapply them again and again to have some color on my eyelids. And that makes it so difficult for me because I need to blend, and I feel like I need to blend a lot in order to have the result that I want, of course. And I cannot just keep blending and the colors keep disappearing. So yes, the glitter are just glitters. Like, I haven't found a bad glitter, to be honest. The only bad glitters are the glitters with glue already. These are not that type of glitter, so we are fine. But when it comes to 1, 2, 3 colors, I'm not really sure that I like this palette, and I'm not very happy to say these things because I would like to love the palette because it's so cute and I want to have it here on my desk and use it like every day. But unfortunately, this is not gonna happen. I haven't swatched these colors to have an opinion, but I will do it later on and I'm gonna tell you. Anyway, let's move on to what I have done to this eye. So first of all, I took the eyeliner from NYX here. I created this tiny ribbon and then I filled it with this neon pigment from Aden makeup, and I turned it into a liquid eyeliner by using my favorite product from Inglot. This is the Duraline, and actually I love using it. It can turn every eyeshadow into a liquid eyeliner, and can you tell about the intensity? I mean, wow, right? So let's go into the ribbon. Oh my god, I just realized that I wasn't recording audio. Okay, I'm sorry and I'm gonna explain you what is going on here. So, first of all, I start using the glitters from this palette and they are so nice, so cute. So I started with this one, Kawaii. I used it inside there and then I continued my graphic eyeliner, as you can see here, with Inspire. So this is what I'm planning to do now, and in order to glue them, I'm gonna use this glue right here. This is from Aden Cosmetics, the Fix Potion, and let me tell you, it's an amazing glitter glue. And now that I'm sure that I'm recording sound, I'm gonna take Inspire and I'm gonna start working on camera this time. I will finish my under the eye area by applying some of the Obsessed, this one right here, it's a very nice style, and I think that this is the look. I'm gonna fix my lashes, then I will create a base for my face that you have seen a million times, so I don't wanna really show you because I don't wanna become boring, you know, and then I will be back to do the rest of the face with you. The face is ready, and since I haven't used any new products really, I decided to do it completely off camera, but I'm gonna describe you what I have done. So, as a foundation, I have used my favorite combo these days, which is this one from Aden and another one from Lumene in order to find the correct shade for me. Then for concealer I use this one from Kosas. I'm about to finish it, like I have something like that, and I'm really excited to try the next one, which, spoiler alert, gonna be the Shape Tape from Tarte. I already have it, it's here, it's waiting for me. Anyway, for bronzer, I use the same as always from Sunkissed, and then for blush, I used this one right here. This is from TK in the shade Gorgeous, and as a highlighter, of course, my Diamond Bomb from Rihanna. And How Many Carats, Fenty Beauty, you know that, like you have seen it I don't know how many times. This is obviously my favorite highlighter. Then I set it everything with this setting spray, the mattifying setting spray from NYX Professional Makeup. This was the collaboration with Sex Education, and this is called Always on Top. I don't know if you have seen the series on Netflix. I haven't. I know that this is not a big surprise for you, like I don't have time to watch movies or series. I don't know if this series specifically is in my list, since I have a million other things that I would like to watch on Netflix nowadays. But anyway, I know why you're here. First of all, to hear the review about the palette, which is coming. So my opinion is that this palette is... I'm not really sure. Look, the glitters are working, but glitters always are working, except from the glitters with glue, which are awful, but of course we don't have this case here, so I was kinda expecting for glitters to work. When it comes to these three, I'm not very happy. I'm not very happy with the duration, with the blendability. They're not really true to the pan. They're quite lighter, not in a good way. I haven't tried these three. I don't think that this black is the most black that I have seen in my life. I haven't even swatched these two specifically. Yeah, all in all, I don't know if I recommend this palette. I'm sorry, I really don't want to do negative reviews, but I want to be honest with you. So yeah, the palette is so-so. I don't know how much I'm gonna use this palette right here. I hope a lot, because I love the packaging. It's so cute with the hearts, and you know, I even don't want to say this, but unfortunately I didn't like it. Sorry. And now it's time for Greek words of the day. So, did you notice? I said words and not word, because today I'm gonna tell you two words. So, I'm gonna tell you the word for plushy bear. So, in Greek we say λούτρινο αρκουδάκι. Say with me. Λούτρινο. Next word, αρκουδάκι. Αρκουδάκι. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the words Lutrino Arkudaki, or actually tell me Lutrino Arkudaki in your own native language. Let's see your creativity! Before I do my lips, I want to tell you some things about the whole experience, like shipping from America, how it was with the custom charges and everything, because I have received a lot of questions on Instagram, and a lot of you are actually asking me about how are the things when you order from America and what you are doing, what's the procedure, and I'm gonna reply to all this right now. So, first of all, it was quite expensive. Of course, I paid for my order normally, and then I had to pay $25 for shipping, and this is quite a lot. Like, I don't blame the company or anything. I know that this is the standard price when you're ordering something from America. I just blame the whole system, that it's really expensive to import something from America. And then when the products came to Sweden, I had to pay customs, which was, I think, another 25 euros or 250 Swedish crowns, which is the same, you know. So all in all, I had to pay around 50 euros extra, maybe something less, but this is the price range. I really wanted to try the lip glosses because, let's be honest, like, this is mainly a lip gloss brand. I took the palette as an extra, but the main review will be about the lip glosses. But the whole experience, you know, with the shipping and everything, although that they came quite fast, I would say, to me it was quite expensive, and I don't know why they are doing this and why they are trying to stop small business from thriving even more, because it's really difficult to bring something to Europe. So yeah, keep this in mind if you would like to order anything from America. It doesn't have to do with the company. Again, it's relevant with the company, it's customs, it's general shipping, and I know because a lot of you asking me how can you order from Colourpop, which has basically the same principles. So yeah, just keep it in mind, and if you find Colourpop products on European sites or European Amazon or stuff like that, keep in mind that the prices of course are higher because there is a reason. They have to pay for shipping and then for customs. That's why the prices are high, and if you ask for my opinion, I don't think that they are that high if you consider how much they have to pay to import all the products in Europe. So yeah, just keep this in mind, and if you have more questions, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'm here to answer to everything. Oh my god, the time has come! Oh my god, can't wait to dive into the glosses because now it's time to finish with my lips. As you can see, I have used two pencils, one from Glam Shop, this one right here, in the name, oh my god, you will never learn the name because it's in Polish, I cannot read Polish, so it's just this purple, okay? The other one, on the other hand, is from NYX Professional Makeup in the shade Baby Bloom, and it's from the series Eye Pencil, I don't know, SPE 921, if this helps you somehow. Anyway, for the gloss now, for the gloss, I'm going to use this cutie! Oh my god, it's amazing! Look at it. So it's actually kinda duochrome. It has a blue base and then it becomes clear, and it has some cute butterflies inside. Can you see? Oh my god, it's so nice. Let's see how it performs. Oh my god, it has some minty scent. It's very light scented, it's so gorgeous. I really hope to perform as well as it smells. Oh yeah, it's very good. It's not sticky at all. See here? You see, it's not sticky. It's very good. This is definitely Antigoni approved. It's a very good gloss, and let me tell you, I was cheating a little bit and I have tried the rest of the glosses that I ordered, and let me show you. First of all, I have ordered a bundle with pig, so I have some piggy earrings, a piggy necklace, and this piggy gloss right here, and I tried this. It smells so good, it smells like candy. It's as good as this one. I think that she's using the same base, so of course they're equally perfect. Then I have this one right here. This is a popsicle with a frog. This smells like watermelon. It's amazing. I mean, the smell is not really watermelon, but I love that smell. I don't know why and I don't know how can I describe this, but this is perfection to me. It smells like a very nice and sweet beverage or something like that. It's equally good, the quality is great. It has some tiny butterflies and hearts inside, and I think that this is all that I have ordered. I don't think that I have any other gloss. Also, my order has this one right here. So this is a keychain with a tiny pig. It was in the piggy bundle, if you can see it. Oh my god, like, it's cute, right? It's super cute. So with the glosses, yeah, big thumbs up. I'm in love. If I am gonna order again, I don't know, like, I'm happy with the quality, definitely, but the whole thing with the customs and the shipping and everything, it's kinda for me. And I know, of course, that it's not Lydia's or Gummy Kisses' fault, definitely, but it's something that stops me, and I don't think that it's only me. I think that it stops a lot of European people, unfortunately. But if you want to see more videos about this specific brand or other American brands, you can always like this video in order to help me understand that you're interested in this, and I can buy more, so you will see more. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because more cool stuff are coming, and I have bought some very interesting stuff and I'm dying to review them. Like, really, I cannot wait because I have already thought about the makeup looks. I'm not gonna say anything, I'm not gonna reveal anything, but cool stuff are coming. This is the only one sure, so don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and leave a comment down below. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the makeup. I hope that you enjoyed the cuties right here. I hope that you actually like them, and I introduced you to a very nice brand that you really need to check. Thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time with a body paint. Until then, bye!